Hey loves, welcome back to my space. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you're an OG, I see you. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. And today we are back with another video. This video is just me showing off. I want to show you how my little balcony looks. I was debating, is this a balcony or is it a veranda? I'm on the first floor, so it's actually a balcony, not a veranda. So I have these flowers that I've planted on my balcony. And as you can tell, we recycle. You can see I'm using cans, mokefe, ifoyo, like I'm using everything. So I've planted these cute succulents, like you can see that. Look at that. They look amazing. So on the bottom part of it, this is my snake plant that I've been crying and praying that it grows taller. It's not growing taller. And tall, it's not growing tall. Yeah, so I want to transform this balcony, because as you can see I have these small succulents that are on the below part of the balcony, and then on the bigger part of the upper part of the balcony I have these huge overgrowing flowers, like these ones that they overgrow. And then at that corner, you see that corner where my laptop is, if you know me, you know I work from home nowadays. Yeah, so I usually work from there whenever I want fresh air. I leave the house, I come just here and work. Those tires I painted for another DIY, but I never used. So I want to transform this wall. This wood, I placed it across like that some time back. I was trying to do a photo shoot on that wall, so I wanted something to hold my background. So I did that wall, that wood going across. And the bad part of this wall is here. This wall is coming out. Like the paint is coming out. Remember baridi or something. So I want to move from this spot nisikuwe na work here hapa, because it's now getting uncomfortable because of that paper. So yeah, here it's me trying to, you know, transfer the to decongest this, because of the balcony part, the upper part, because as I've told you, these big flowers are overgrowing and taking a lot of space. And now make a balcony look like a bush, especially before you get into my door. This part, you see the way I have these purple ones. These purple ones are growing very big, and now I'm transferring them to that wood. You see, the wood inside there. I also have this green one. It's kind of same family, but now this one don't kauka, by the way. Actually, it's more of succulents, but they grow. They have these leaves, outgrowing leaves. Yeah, so I just placed them on that wood because I want that place to look like that. And then I have this ufuniko that helps me to funika the round part of the nini, so that it can hold a flower. This flower, I want to put it in the house very soon, but for that I have to make a vase. So for now it's just going to stay there, and it gives this place a vibe. As you can see, now it looks like it's growing from under the nini. This is another snake plant. I love snake plants, but hizi zangu zinakataa to grow. I feel like they have taken a lot of time to grow, but it's all right. So here nime plant mkebe ya maziwa, and then I have two small succulents that I want to place on the tire. As you can see, these are cactus. Lord have mercy, because my son is going to go there. And anyway, I hope that I'll just let him know that he knows it's a cactus. Then this is a cup of mine. Like, I love this set of cups, but my cup ilipata crack. It got a crack, so I decided I'm not going to throw it, because we don't throw anything in this channel. If you're new here, welcome to a place where we don't throw anything in our house. We use everything, anything and everything in the house. So we recycle every single thing in this house. We don't throw anything. So that's why you can see I have a lot of cans, I have a lot of plastic bottles, I have a lot of, you know, all becoming useful and creating, you know, because we don't waste anything. So I've been, as you can see me, I've all to small succulents. I have this belaka. This purple flower is great. I feel like it will grow with time to be a very big one, but at this moment inaja tu ndani ya mkebe, inaja. Like we plant one, but at the end of the time we want ishaja. Then there's this one. This one is supposed to be somewhere outside because it has thorns, but I'm going to place it down. Ikitu ni ya mkebe ya omo. Nilipanda kwa mkebe ya omo. So I'm going to place it somewhere down, praying and hoping that my son will not get accidents from these flowers, because I know he's going there. Then there's another small succulent that I'm placing on my window. simply because he loves this succulent, and he always kangekuwa kasha grow na niko tu nako kamoja ka hiyo type ingekuwa sha grow, but hiyo tuanisha ever, always, ever. So after decongesting that side of balcony, we have that side. I feel like I'm not going to add anything there. That's enough for today, because I already love how it looks. And then the other side of the balcony now has been decongested. You can tell I only have this purple one, and then this green. These are succulents, but they are outgrowing themselves. They are overgrowing. You plant one, and then it gives a lot of stems. Yeah, it gives a lot of other to plants. So you can see I now have decongested this part of my balcony, the upper part, and the bottom part I have a very few succulents that I'm supposed to transfer them into the house. Like these ones, I'm supposed to take them into the house. I'm going to plant them ndani ya nyumba, because where? And then these flowers. If you have a way of telling me how the snake plant grows fast, tell me. Just look at that. Take your time to admire that. Just look at that. This castool has now transformed the entire place. Now it is for flowers. Hiyo flower iko na vumbi because kuna vumbi. Hii mwaka kujanyesha. Mmeona kukinyesha kweli? Anyway, look at that. These tires I painted for another DIY that I never did. So they have been there. And I didn't want to throw. Look at that. It looks like it's growing from down there. Like, I truly love how this turned out. I love how this part looks. I know, just look at that. And that yellow is giving, is it mustard or is it what? It's giving vibe. And then I have these two small ones. These ones, they grow, but not as much as the others. So ikigrow, ikianza kutoa nini stems, natoa, I pluck it out and place it somewhere else. This is a cactus that I'm praying it grow urefu, because where? Kanaka tu kadogo tangu nipande. Anyway, and that's how the green is popping from up there. You know, I'm going to add, forget about the jerrycan. This jerrycan looks so beautiful. Yeah, you cannot tell. So I'm thinking of repainting painting a few of these these whatever they are called, is in Makeover mafuta. And I'm also thinking of adding something there, but the purple, look at that. It has green and purple. Like, this flower is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And the fact that inatoa maua, I didn't know that it gives out flowers until recently. I didn't know. But the fact that it's doing that, it's so amazing. So amazing. So here it's my balcony. My sister says it's a welcoming welcoming environment. I'm welcoming bees here. But no, I don't believe in that, because where? Just look how it looks. It's like a very small balcony. But after doing this, it looks bigger. Is it just me, or it looks so beautiful and so cute? So if you can see it from far, you can now be able to see the side of my balcony that has flowers, and then you can see that corner, that specifically corner that has the tires, and this looks so amazing. I just love that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me on this transforming my balcony video. I'll just call it that because I've transformed it. Thank you so much for joining me as I transform this. If you have something else you want to tell me, where I can add something else, or if you have a place where I can get more flowers, or you think I need more flowers, tell me what flower you think I should add here, because I'm ready to add any flower on this balcony. So thank you so much for transforming the balcony with me. I truly appreciate. Till next time, bye bye, guys. I love you. Bye bye.